Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be doing a upside down fire, which I've never done before. After receiving numerous comments about it, I thought I would go ahead and actually do one. Never had done one before, so I thought, why not? If you're wondering what those are on the side, well, I guess you're not seeing the video, I'm just doing audio. That have it. Anyway, yeah, so let's get to it. Just processing down this standing dead tree I literally pushed over. Oh damn, I guess I wasn't recording. So, I was saying, with the camera not running, is I got all this cedar on my last time out here, about 2 weeks ago. And I just had it in the back of the truck. You can probably hear it cracking, falling apart. Cool. Think I'm right. Alright. And I got the bark from the very same tree, which I'm gonna process down. Get these stiffer pieces broken down. I'll put them in with the kindling. Get that little bit of Lombardy poplar mixed in there. That's fine. It's just shredding in my hands. I'll put that. Come on, let go. Keep sticking to the gloves. You want to process it as small as you can get it. Almost to a point where it's like cool. Should be good. Put that stuff on top. Wow, get that Lombardy poplar in there. Get ourselves a crude bird nest. Alrighty. Excuse me. Got the 6" by 1/2" ferro rod, which hasn't made an appearance in a while. I'm going to use the back of my LT Wright GNS Hidden Woodsman model. Oh. You're not going out on me, are you? Sweet. Just checking in on the fire. You know what I didn't do? I didn't look at the time. But I haven't done a thing to this fire. All I've done is I picked up a few little pieces that fell off on the edge, and I put my pie irons down next to it to warm them up. Ooh, pie irons. What could I be making? Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I haven't done a thing to it. It's just been rolling along pretty nice. It was a standing dead tree that I literally just pushed over, and then I just cut it in half, drug the two halves out of the woods, and then you saw me splitting it up. So good show. So my upside down fire is dying down. One nice thing about it is the fact that I didn't have to get up and put wood on it. All I had to do was, I barely even moved anything around. I mean, I think I moved like a couple little small pieces onto the top that had fallen off when I initially started it, and I think I moved like one of the logs one time, but I didn't have to feed it. I didn't have to do anything to it. I just let it burn. And now that it's almost burnt out, I'm gonna knock out one more video, and then I'm gonna head on home. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.